Hello guys, how na day? Compliment of the season. Hope you people are enjoying on yourself. I want to do my back makeup, and I know say I no be person way they do makeup. I just want to talk a little bit, okay? I want to talk about some people, okay? They come. When I'm not worried, I just say that's why I tell you, sometimes I'm not even the rub anything, but I just want to make I do my back makeup, okay? This is my back makeup. I don't sabi do makeup. I just like my own. This one is my own, but I like the way I tell you do my own makeup of the thing. So my people, it gets a video where be say I see. Where I see for social media, Papa twins go swear for somebody, okay? Where the talk say na him born Oginye Enora, that is Enogi first daughter. My people, you see this social media of 18, when I'm not versing, most one they hear me, when I'm not worried. Normally I know they do something, they talk, but I don't want to make I just do this one. You see this social media of 18 where be say our people they normally then they use them for saga. Not be everything they take they do saga, okay? Not be everything they take they do saga, and a saga they do. Not be everybody. One another. So now say now concealer you they put for all your face. Sometimes I they do one like that, okay? Let me say I don't get but yeah, sometimes I just like to put concealer, you know. So you see this social media of 18 where be say many people don't they use they do saga, then they pass their boundary, then go carry Pikin, carry Papa, carry everybody, you know, along. Then they do saga, when they talk with it, they know what they never even do, what they never even reach any place. They'll say the don't reach. That time where they grow, they come that time. They will say, if you want prayer where person they pray, say, Osalo boa, wait I know if I need my name, you me. You know, they your you bossy me. You understand? You go pray that kind of prayer. Nowadays, the kind of prayer where be say, because all in the name of social media, the kind of prayer where be say, most people come they pray now. Now, the food where be say they not eat, they want make them see for their mouth. That be the prayer where be say they come they pray. Then they come they pray. If you want to do saga with somebody, especially somebody where be say you with that issue, do saga with them. Okay, do saga with them. Not put Pikin oh, not put mama oh, not put papa oh. Cause why? Those people they not call you for them. They fight you. You know concern those people. Because not be say because you see and say other people they do one problem not they. You want to see do one. You go still say problem not they. You can't forget say your name and that person name not be the same. Make I command this glass. Your name and that person name not be the same. Your name and that person name not be the same. Not be the same day they born both of una. Not be the same angel they get both of una. Everybody get their angel where they guide them, you know. Everybody get what they believe. Not be what you believe, now me believe. Anything where you believe, I respect them. Anything where me still believe, may you still respect them. So now, that's because of social media, most people, they want me that they hear their name, they want to do saga, they will call the talk, waiting, be say, you know, even they person body. Waiting, be say, because we be say, they not do, they'll say they don't do, or in the name of say, they want to do saga. Not be that one they tell they do saga. If you want really do saga, you be person where be say, you get word for mouth. Use waiting you get, then finish your money. How? Use your mouth, take pieces. How? Waiting there body. You understand? The other one go still use waiting there your body. But don't go put other people. Not put papa, not put mama, not put pikin. All these people, they do one. Right that they do. You understand? To insult pikin, insult people where be say, you know, even near them. Especially those pikin. Oh, me, I did against them. If I see, say you be that person where be say you they carry pikin. I would not say you be person where I like before. I go withdraw myself or come out for them. I know they like that thing at all because of your son. You understand? So now I can see this video where be say the person they talk say more guinea carry pikin can't give her na bon pikin. Hi. Why so why didn't be me una suffer yo. You see people where they clap and follow and say you are doing it well, you right. Kpekus where you not do. Kpekus where you not do. What my na ti avin we. Ogbon Maria. Kpekus where you not do. You go say now you do that kpekus. Te born pikin where be say it there for another person house where you know say not be you born that pikin. In the woman can't go use that kpekus where te born that pikin. Can use and swear for you 7 days. Oh yeah, where you want. You go direct her to any woman where they near you. You go reach your body, oh brother. You don't know. You go direct her to so unless you not do kpekus again, you just forbid kpekus. When they tell you now see say that time when papa will they tell now say ihu azenya hi ihu ama no ko mu dia na ede una no know the meaning of waiting then they tell una no woman wey be say you not sleep with you come out or in the name of say you want spoil in nia o bi am no ya spoil wo we we that's all. Nothing say some people where be say they not they talk where they for instance you talk say you don't sleep with her. The woman will just like okay, he say na saga going why away. This say now all of them I really away like that. They just they play. Just they play, my dear. Some people say he say don't swear. This swear not work. Now this swear you tell when not go where wanna see you. They not say me this swear. Who don't hear you can't talk to waiting they not they use again. You understand? So if you do something, wanna know the way wanna tell they do. Wanna know the way wanna tell they do things. Not be everything where person do. That one do one, you want still go do one. Maybe still go do one. Problem not there. I will still do. Not be that person do one that day. Nothing happen to that one. Maybe if me still do, nothing will still happen. My dear. My dear, for your mind, because if you go do now the same person, you with that person be, and I know the reason all those things. Not do what person do. When you say this person do one, if me still do one, nothing will happen. Not be that one do one saying don't forgive her. If me still do, you will still forgive me. So. Then waiting una not eat. Now na one make them they see for una mouth. Now prayer before say waiting I not do. Waiting I not concern me. I don't want make God not let them see am for my mouth. But nowadays they can't they see am for una mouth. Why not be like this? And after then, una say una want beg the person. Say if I don't do and finish, I go beg and say please forgive me. Please forgive me. She said everybody now they forgive person. Not be everybody they forgive person. Not be everybody they forgive person. If person tell you say, not be that one and day so. You go just the thing saying and true just forgive you. You see people like us where just they talk and say, yeah, me not but till the end. Now that one ain't good pass. Some of them they not go tell you. In no way. Wa fi boy ya o mi amive olele we aku olele we agie e go dey do you olele we aku e go dey do you you don't know e go dey follow you dey laugh e go dey do you go dey think say na your friend for your mind Not be everybody, oh. Make una stop all this waiting una dey do. Una no one year. Una one trend for social media. Now that one they take the trend. Not be that one they take the trend, though. Not be that one they take the trend. Carry person pikin. They go do unto you, to your pikin. You will like her. That truth. If person do unto your pikin where you born, you go like her. You go just come. You go say that's your pikin where you born. Na he born now. That meaning as if they talk and say na he born now. Meaning he Dodovaga your woman. You go like her. You not go like her. So what are they doing to another person? 7 juju now. Now they say they want bring come out for only one person. I can hear who wear that 7. Oh, with me. And you got the thing say, nothing they happen. Not today. Not be today. Not be today. I beg you, don't take one of the carrier. You know, say, a boy hang bomber. Or maybe no yag bear. Get as it they do. Then you see some people, they'll say sleep, you don't wake up. Well, they're not here, bother yourself. Not be that very day where you call so. Not be that day they happen. They're not here, bother yourself. Well, I'll give you another year. Now the thing so now be Odunga. Odunga waiting. I want not bear away near to her. Let's see where they beat you. Don't tell us me no cry. Okay, if that Pikin can grow tomorrow, come see that video. All I know say social media not they for. You know they forget things. Anything where you do, social media they there, not go forget. They come and come bring and come next tomorrow. They will now call the thing say you don't do person. You want to go sleep for his house. Just they play. Just they play. Person when you do something, he go do you back. Oh. Now before now they will say na saga. I will dash you now. You want follow person do saga, follow her with truth. Don't follow her with lie. Oh. If you follow her with lie, anything where lie now you want to break your head, you not concern anybody. Anything where you hand meet, now you go to break your head. Not be you say you want follow and do. You they do saga, the person they do, they follow you, they do truth. Now John and Ladian for inside house. Now no person. Now no one for anywhere. When I saw na don't eat the Kpekus wey be say una not even see. And they fear some of una. Now make me not the light to the mingle with our people. Because they are evil too much. What if they follow them, they waka too much? What if they not eat? They'll say they eat them. Where they not even reach, they'll say they don't reach them. So that's all those people where be say they do those things. And that bring you not be lie. Not be the day where they cause it they happen. And you where be say you go carry juju. You go swear. Not let that person come tell you tomorrow say, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Now joke I just do. No answer. As far as say you don't swear for that person. If you never swear for that person, you are very, very free to take that apology. You understand? If you don't swear, Arabiakugbe, Iyeke, Ariye die. That's so it be. That's so be talk. Arabiakugbe ne, Iyekariye die. If you never swear for them, the person can't come. He can't tell you say, please forgive me for what happened. Na just saga of a thing. Now say do one. You are free for your mind. If you like, you want forgive, you can do. But if you don't want forgive, I will not be. I have my no yaso. You understand? So now make me. It may go to your wedgie. I no go follow you. Say I want follow you. Come do saga. I come the life for your head. I will never do it because it might be no yafe yeki. It might be no mudi anwe. I don't know the kind person where you be. Whether you be person where you be say you know they forgive. You know. Because some people say if you do things all where would it be like way, you know go agree. You go make sure say you shook hand for your eye. Some people they like that. Why some people they you go they pretend. Some people they go they pretend. They talk say I don't forget. Not be that one day so. Those people me and they fear them well. You see people when they talk and say I not forgive you. I respect those people. How they know say okay, or man you forgive me. Then what the one way go tell you say not be that one in there, so you don't move on. Now lie. Let your man move on. Let your man move on. The find what you want to pass you come off for road. When you know where. Some self then go even like draw you near body. Do you what you want do you? All lily we cook, all lily we gear. That's why I tell you do my my past those my makeup. I know they like they get time to they do all those long one. And you do back. You understand, my people? So if you be that person where be say you don't swear for person, not try out. Say the person can't tell you say, may you forgive her. When you don't swear for her, you don't need to forgive anybody. You don't go meet ancestor. You don't go meet juju. Say you want swear for person. So if the person come meet you, can say, may you forgive her, may you let go. You don't concern you concern her again because why? You don't come out your hand for a body. You don't come out your hand for a body. You don't concern that person again. Now you know, as you want to go meet people where be say you go swear for, as you want to come return. Not let them concern you. Not let them concern you. Because if you can't say, that's why you can't meet me. Meaning, now you can pack the juju back. Okay? My own not they take time. You are aware. Boy, I don't come up for that. Meaning now you can pack the juju, enter house. Now you make think before you do something. If you don't swear, you don't swear. Anybody will come they tell you say, as you don't swear, I'm sorry. I just say now because of saga, now I just do one. My brother, my sister, tell them say, Abia hugbe, ye carry die. What you concern, you not concern you again. You even know how you go and even they look for your phone number. You don't concern you. If you even get that message, okay, you want to give them their phone number. You even know how you can't wear. You not go concern you to even date there. You don't do what you want to. You don't come up for them. Now, if maybe those people can't call you, say this person say you want return the cost. Your hand not the again. You even know how you not let them concern you. Okay. So my people, some of you, why again you? Why again you? Because why? Something way be say you go do now, you say you don't do one. You get Pikin or won't wear wig me, or one monu beer or my wig me. You don't think where they hear all those things. You don't think where they hear all those things. Make I do my this thing. And they come back. I don't do one. I mean, I just like use my pencil to take drawing and put them for there. Because I did sabi the drawing away, you know. I don't say na back makeup. I don't get where I will go showcase and post and see how if I be not fine. So that is that, my people. If you come social media, for me for finish my. If you come social media, not come because of say you want make people hear of you. You want use waiting not concern you take rub body. The Pikin where you not born, you will say now you born now. Kpekus where you never do, you will say now you do. It's very, very bad. Don't try such a thing. Do your lane, do your thing. If person find you, you fit find the person. If you curse your papa, you curse a papa. You curse your Pikin, you carry a Pikin. You curse your husband, you carry a wife. Everything where you deal with them, who do VOA, problem not there. Now if I do you. In case you understand. And all those, if you don't curse, person can't tell you say, I beg, forgive me. My brother, my sister, forgiveness is a sin as far as you don't curse. Because when you can't tell and say yes, you don't forgive her, meaning you can't pass the course where you go curse, you pack and enter. Okay? No and no way. For those of you where they like doing, make me consider. So no boy why miss call. Now make am owo pine. Now love them come they pine so because of waiting they not use their hand to draw do. You see, they're not they reach 40, they're not they reach 50, they're not they reach 60 because of bad things when then they choke their hand put. That make me I know they like to they mingle with people. You like because it maybe no job boy see most people their mind are evil. They go do you things, they go like they don't do one. You understand? But the day when God go come say today na be their repercussion. They will come they cry. People come they say, oh, na good person. You know what he use the hand take us. You don't know. So social media no they make person mad. Like say me not there for inside this social media. They think say get what they make them they do like that. Pikin will not be you say now you born now. Woman where you never sleep with you say you don't see Kpekus. Woman where not they do okpo, you say you see and say they do okpo. Mona be careful. Not the same, not be said in the year. You go now, your buck can see no. Find this money small. You don't say that small one problem not there. Not be the one where go use your mouth to go put yourself for big problem. You do and go they switch you. But the repercussion they wait for you. If you they do and say your hair is strong because you say wait, wait till they follow you, they go. Your children, your wife, they're strong. On your housing. No, bye my people, that's why I say make I finish my back makeup now. See you all later. I'm gonna share this video, love and like, drop your opinion. If you dey come media, not do anyhow. No sis, not talk say that brother they do and me you can't do and that sister they do and me you can't do and oh my me no ya regbe. Oh my me no bene. Wa uma bo no bene. Ke no na rieva we na rieva ni na tinya at you where. Not be the same papa born now, not be the same star now get to, not be the angel where they carry you, where they follow you for all corner, they follow that one, you not know. Day your day, do your thing. I not say person can't choke hand for you, I may not choke for you. You will not say that person fair choke your hand, choking hand for your eye. Then we are your boy wa wole yaladia. I said they do or yera bona. And ya me no better in I said they talk my one on they hide my own. Only ya is your boy your how he will lay your viola dear. I'll not say na if you come for me. You understand? Like say na saga me with that for saga 2-3 days, it don't finish. That he can't go carry my husband come. He can't the feel say as he carry my husband, I go wrong. Or am I getting a worse thing in the case? That's why it be me. Testado. That's why it be. Well, when you get away, where if you I know say you like that thing, I go draw a come. Then I go wrong go. But when I was in there, I go do one. You were worst. That's what it be. And nobody don't feel stop me. Bye my people. Be yourself when you are coming. Bye.